Well, hello model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. This is Ral. I want to take a moment to share with you guys a story and something that happens, and these four builds are all part of it to some degree, actually, and also to give thanks to that individual and help promote and bump them up a little bit with your guys' help. So that would be, totally awesome, as that happened to me a long time when I first started my channel as well. So real quick recap on that was, I was just getting started making some videos, and just, you feel like you get a couple of videos, you don't get any traction, and it's a little frustrating. But then Just Model Garage did a little channel shout out for me and my channel at a time when I was just getting started and wondering if it was going to catch any traction or anything. And with his help, that video, all of a sudden I bumped to over 100 subscribers, and I couldn't believe what was happening and had no idea. And then I found out he featured me in a 13-second little video that even today, when I go back and look at it, only 149 people have seen. I'll put a link in the video description below for his channel and that video for fun, to give you an idea what that was, but what it meant to me and how it made me feel and boosted my confidence and everything, just really helped. It really did help me. Now, this individual, he helped me without asking for anything in return, and it came at a time when I was building these two cars simultaneously, and I was missing a couple of parts for, to complete these two. So I asked for 4 parts to one of these, the base Corvette kit, and he lied to me. He said, "Oh yeah, I'm just going to send you these parts." Well, this gentleman sent me the entire kit, a whole kit. And then when I got the box, I couldn't believe it. And it was sealed too. And he said, "Don't worry about it. Not a big deal." And there you go. I'm like, okay, well, that kind of blew me away. And I had another friend that was helping me get those 4 parts. So I finished this one with those parts. But since he sent me a whole kit, that's what ended up in this one. And so I was building these 2 kits, and his generosity went into that one. I'm really not a big fan for asking for help or anything, and then this Camaro, when I was building this one, I had messed up the paint job. Now, this is the Revell Camaro, and it's out of production, and I could get, custom-made decals, but I messed it up and had to strip it. And at the time, I had a number of subscribers when I was building that one, and everything was going well, and I had no less than 5 people say, "Hey, I've got decals for that kit. I'll send you decals. Don't worry about it." And I'm like, great, this is awesome. But that gentleman, he already had my address and everything, and I got an email from him, said, "They're on the way, you're all set." And I was like blown away. So I'm telling other people that are sending me decals, I'm covered, thank you very much. So this gentleman is Frank Steffens, and he's kind of quiet and shy as far as online presence and on Facebook, but he builds some amazing cars, and he's boosting his own channel that he calls Frank's Model Works. So please, I'm putting in the video description below a link to his. Check it out, subscribe. He's only got a couple of videos up right now, but check out his shorts. He's got quick little short videos, and they spin some of the models that he builds, and he builds some awesome models. And he's learning how to do YouTube, how to edit videos, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. That's a whole nother area of learning, and I know what that's like. After being doing this for 4 or 5 years, we've all grown. Anybody on YouTube, it's kind of a brotherhood, and it's a community, and that's what's great about it. So I just want you guys, check him out, give him a chance, and I'm sure he's really going to be shocked, as he doesn't know I'm doing this and was not expecting this, but he's one of my early subscribers, and he's been a big supporter and hasn't asked me for anything. So for that, that's a huge thank you to him, because these builds were affected by him in such a positive manner, and I just won't forget his generosity, and even how I felt when Just Model Garage boosted my name, and what that did for my confidence. So you guys, Thank you. Check them out. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend and blessed be all. I'll see you guys again. And thanks again for watching this.